really excited because we are packing for our trip to, should I tell y'all? Jamaica. Yeah, we're going to Jamaica. We're going for my sister's 21st birthday. Happy birthday to Kayla. I don't know when this video is gonna be up, but if y'all know Kayla, you can follow her at this and tell her happy birthday. Today, actually, the day that I'm filming this is my brother's birthday. Hold on, water break, I'm thirsty. Woo! I'm gonna make this like a prep or a pack with me situation, but I just knew I wanted to show you guys like a little bit of me getting ready for Jamaica. So right now we're doing the pack with me situation. This morning I went to a Skims warehouse sale. If you follow me on TikTok, you've definitely seen that because I just dropped the video. And I got a few pieces that I felt like I needed for my trip, and I'm so happy I went. Although it was a little hills and valleys situation. I went out there, the event started at 11, was supposed to, but you know, BP time. It ended up being like 11:20 something by the time we got through the doors. The cops showed up. It was just like a control issue. There were a lot of people. They announced it on TikTok, on social media, and there was a lot more people than they probably expected to be, because the last event it wasn't as many people. I showed up about an hour before it opened till like 10 o'clock. There were people, there was already a good little line out there by the time I got out there, and the line just kept getting worse and worse as the time went past. I ended up getting some pieces. The cops showed up and they were pressuring people to kind of leave. They were like, if y'all don't leave now, y'all gonna be trespassing. And I ain't never had no run-ins with the law, so I was trying to get my stuff and get gone, but I was like, I'm leaving here with something. So I picked up a few items. If you want to see those items, I'll either put the video on the screen or I'll just direct y'all to see TikTok. The links and everything are down below. But yeah, y'all, we are packing things up. Even though it looks like a mess in the background, I kind of got a system kind of going on. But right now we're gonna try to pull everything together, so you guys are here to watch me do that. I got a few things to try to help me organize and pack, so let me just show y'all what the heck I got. Like I said, it's chaos, but it's my little chaos. I put all of my outfits on the couch, but I got these pouches from Amazon, these packing cubes and stuff to try to help your girl pull everything together.
I know that I hurt you. Yeah. I was a child trying to be a man. To all my sons worldwide, all my juniors, I apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop. I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up and get your money up, but don't worry. Daddy's home. And I know I missed so much of your life. Turn me up. Yeah. Niggas know they need to stop. I'm standing at the top, that's how I know you never seen the top. Sierra King parking lot, looking like Magic City parking lot. Hear the talks when I walk by, like you know it's open.
Okay, so I kind of moved some of this so I can have some more empty space. I may move some more things around to like put some more accessories in here. But this is pretty much the accessories I've made outfits with. Now I'm gonna just pull together my fits. Like, here's my mountain of clothes. You guys can see her. I'm so freaking hungry right now. We may have to take a little food break, because this morning really, what the heck? This morning really put me through. I'm tired as heck. I took 2 showers a day, been outside early this morning, had a little bit of caffeine, didn't even drink all of my Starbucks. Anyway, I have this cute behind jumpsuit I caught on sale from, it's like a romper from, where did I get this? Aritzia. This is TNA, and I caught it on sale. This is my first thing from Aritzia. They were having a sale a group ago. This is $88. Girl, I got this for like 20 something. It ended up being like $30 with shipping and everything, but it's still bubblegum pink TNA cute little jumpsuit. I picked out my sister's outfit too for ATVs. So we're both gonna be wearing Aritzia, but she said wear the pink. I was gonna get just a plain old black jumpsuit because like I said, y'all, I'm a little insecure about my weight right now. So, you know, black is slimming, so. But my sister was like, we want to pop on the ATVs, and if the cart you're riding in or whatever is black, you're not gonna pop. She was like, we eating the girls up this vacay. So, you know what? I said, my sister is confident in me. I'll wear something. And just like I said, with this, to make myself feel more comfortable, I got this Skims bodysuit today at the sale. So I'm gonna pop this thing under the jumpsuit, and I tried it on with it already and it looks really, really good. So it made me feel a little bit more confident and secure in the outfit. I mean, we still got a little pudge, which I don't mind, but it's just a reminder whenever I get back to lock back in before my birthday. And how I'm gonna pack, I'm taking a book out of my dad's page. What? I'm taking a page out of my dad's book. He already packed his bag, girl. He been packed for like freaking weeks now, dang near months, hype about this family trip. But he said that he packed all his clothes by outfits. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna pack this together because I'm gonna wear these two together and put that to the side. Based on the packing, I think I'm gonna do like my fancier outfits in a bag, and then like my more like chill fits, athleisure like this in a bag, because I'm not gonna pack a lot of like leggings and stuff, but like plain old body suits and like that I'll put together. You know what I mean? You on the same page? All right. See, y'all, this is why packing is so difficult with me. Like, why did I have to try on one of the fits? Because I forgot what it looks like. It's like a full body gown dress. It's from Boohoo, and I went with this one. I have two. I have a blue one, but I think I like this one better. So I think she's coming. I may pack the other one as a just in case. See what I'm saying with the just in case? I can't, but it's full length, like literally to the ground. And wait till I get snatched. Oh yeah, I'm so happy. Why am I sitting here watching Monet's newest vlog about her housewarming party? First off, congratulations to her buying her first home. Like, the transition from like 2020 and all of the things that she's done is amazing. As just the impact she has as an influencer is just so amazing. And yeah, it's inspirational for sure. Like, just as a person, yeah, she's just the sweetest person ever. But seeing this housewarming party that her boyfriend set up for her, I could freaking cry over the videos her family sent her, the love, the outpour. Wow. Oh, to be loved like that. That's congrats to her and all the accomplishments. But all the people she has surrounding her, supporting her like that, that's so amazing. I just had to tap in because I'm dang near in tears. Y'all, I just got home from helping my friend move. I'm so tired. We took a little pause from packing and stuff to help my friend out, but I'm super tired. And now we on crunch time. I was supposed to get my nails done, but you see that didn't happen. So I'm gonna try to get them done tomorrow. But I came home and one of my packages was here, so I stopped by my mail office and got it. I'm really hyped about these. I got some Desi sunglasses. The girl is who know. Look at this packaging. Fire. I got the 6 feet. They're called 6 feet. 6FT. These babies are fire. With like the pearl detail and say Desi on the side. These are hard. Oh nah, these giving money. Nah, these hard. My sister on the phone, if y'all hear all that swish around. But I'm finna eat, chill, try to relax, probably pop in the shower real quick, and then we can get back to packing. I'm getting ready to pop out real quick to go to my nail appointment. It's for 11:45. It's literally 11:10 right now. It's like 20 minutes to get to my nail salon. But I wanted to show y'all my fit real quick. I don't know if I've showed you guys this outfit before, but I'm really hyped about it because it's cute as heck to me. We all know what my background looks like, okay? Because of the packing. But here's the fit. I have my Adidas Sambas on, some gray sweats from Pretty Little Thing. They're super old. T-shirt, just a regular tank. I think this is from Shein. It's a little halter, but I also have some that look like this from Old Navy. So either one. This not polo button up is from, it's very oversized. It's from Boohoo. It was a set, short set. Earrings are from Amazon. Glasses are prescription from Walmart. This is from Ego. If you know, you know what it looks like. Ego official. Cute little tote. And yeah, I think it's really cute. The black ties in with the black stripes in the shoes. I did this cute little top knot bun with some pieces dangling out for the fit. But yeah, we're about to go get our nails done. Bye.
Focus on me. Baby, can you focus?
Ooh, show it again, wait. Y'all out of pocket. Joker's trying, the Vega prep is serious. Day 2 of freaking packing. I think day 2. I don't even know. But I'm gonna go live while packing so I can give the girlies the content they want and deserve. Hopefully good content, you know? But oh, pop in. Nails are done. Don't know if I showed y'all, but TikTok, I don't even think. I showed TikTok though. I don't think y'all can see him good. Focus. I'm gonna get a new camera after a while, but for now, there you go. You can see them now. They're good. There's kind of a little air bubble on top of one of them, but it's so freaking cute. They're cute. They are inspired by Aaliyah's face nails. She got the inspiration from somewhere too, but I saw it on her page. She said she got it from somebody, but yeah, they're super cute with like they're a different take on French tip with a gold 3D design on it. I'm really excited about these. These are really cute. I just got home, y'all. It's so hot outside. It's not even freaking funny. I have my hair in a bun, but I took it down because my head started hurting. And I slid over. It's literally because I was hungry. My body's so dramatic. But I went over to Super Chicks in Fort Mill, and so I got that. But the only errand I ran today was Ulta, because it's getting to the point of the trip where I'm like, if I don't got it, I feel like I'm just gonna be out of luck, or I'm gonna have to ask somebody to buy it. But y'all, what the heck? I got this from Black Girl Sunscreen. I knew they had like a lip product for sunscreen, but they have more than that. They had a lip gloss, which is on my lips right now. It's called Make It Pop. It's just a clear gloss, but it's an SPF gloss. If you don't know, your lips can burn too, and I'm not trying to have it burn out there, you feel me? So I got that, and then I also got another thing of Black Girl Sunscreen. I've sprayed on sunscreen, but I wanted like just a cream one to put on too, and I thought this one was super cute because it has a little mermaid on it. I got it so my little sister can partake in this one too, but I also told my parents to get some too, because we're gonna be there for a week and they're this size, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna run through this, because if this was lotion, oh, this would be gone by the end of the week. I also got hand sanitizer, a new one. This is the Wild Watermelon. I feel like it's giving tropical. They had a citrus one, but I feel like my head would be hurting in like 2 seconds with that. And then I got my favorite lashes ever, because I did not get my lashes done like I thought I would, which is completely fine, because my contacts, my contact order got canceled by my doctor's office, because they're like, you need to come in for another appointment, sis. We are not giving you those contacts. I was like, dang, when were y'all gonna tell me? I have a freaking trip. But whatever. I will be fine with the one pair of contacts I have. Prayerfully, I will. But if not, I have my glasses that are on my face right now. Dang, my ice cream melted a little bit. You get a little frozen custard. I got a little kids meal from Super Chicks because I didn't need a bunch of fried chicken right now. I feel like I should open this over the sink so I can eat it. But I'm gonna finish. Dylan, we're pretty much packed up, not gonna lie. And like I told you guys before, I feel like I'm OD packing, like overpacking, which I am. I think I'm gonna recompose the bag, like reorganize, because there's a lot of things that are just sitting on top of the bags right now. I need to go in it so I can zip it and close. So that's what we're gonna do next. After I eat my ice cream.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I give her the flea.